Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add widgets to Notion. So first, you come to endify.co. This is the exact URL. I want you to log in with your Google account, or you can go ahead and sign up, okay? Because that is important before you can access the widgets. So first I'll go ahead and do that. I just choose any Google account. So I'll go ahead and pick this one. I'll go ahead and sign in, right? So go ahead and click on continue right here. And then you will be signed in on endify.co. Okay, they will refresh this page and you will be redirected here. So we can close this, right? And now we need to search for widgets, right? So you can just tell them here what you plan on using Endify for. Okay, I'll say Notion. There we go. Click on submit. And we can click on no thanks. Okay. So now you can go ahead and add widgets. So let's say we want a life progress bar. You can do that. You can do a countdown, right? Choose whatever you want. Let's say I want a countdown. So we need to go ahead and create this widget. So we'll name a title, counter. Okay, click on continue right here. And the new widget is being created right now, as you can see. So first, we can go ahead and select an aesthetic. So we'll do a flip countdown. That is okay. You can set an event title. Right, what is the date and time? If you want it to be 24 hours, you can toggle that one on. We'll keep all of these, okay? And then what you want to do here is you can select the font. And on completion of how many minutes you want confetti, right? I'll do for 5 minutes. Then you can go ahead and do all of these settings. You can set your own background color, whatever you want to do. But at the end, the main part, guys, is just this, right? Is copying this to your clipboard and using it on a Notion. Also, if you wanted to preview this, you would have to set a date, right? So you come here and you set an exact date and time. So let's say, April 14th, whatever time it is, you just do that and you can see what it would look like for the countdown. There you go. And if you want to add this, so if you feel like this is too much, the years, months, you don't want all of that, you can just toggle it off. Okay, just toggle them off and we can get rid of those. Right, and then it would refresh. There you go. So this is what it would look like. Okay, now you just copy this. If you want to hide this to go panel, you just toggle this on. That one is gone as well. That's much, much better. So you just come to your Notion, wherever you want to add. You just type this in, /embed. Okay. And we just embed this widget, right? So you come /embed here on a Notion, and we're going to be embedding a widget. So you just need to go ahead and paste the link as well. So when this comes up, click on embed, paste the link, and then just click on embed link. Okay. And you'll see my widget will show up right here with the timer. You can do the same thing for different, widgets. We have we have the counter, of course. We have quotes, life progress bar. We have weather, Google Calendar, countdown, a lot of different things, clock. You can come here and browse through. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple.